Now, during the initial phases of Green Revolution, new technology was looked upon as a risk. Obviously, you don't know whether the new policy of the government or the new strategy of the government will work or not. It's a risk that it may or it may not. So, it was necessary for the government to grant subsidies to provide an incentive for adoption of the technology. So, it was needed that the government should come up themselves and provide subsidies to the people, so that to the farmers, so that they adopt this new technology, because it's a very risk if they spend their own wealth on it, because it may work, it may not, and if it does not work, it's a loss. So it was the duty of the government to come up and grant subsidies to provide an incentive, to provide energy, to provide an incentive to adopt the new technology. Okay, and so the government did. However, with the passage of time, there has been a debate over the huge amount of subsidies granted by the government. Now, as the government was giving subsidies for the HYV technology, there was a huge debate later on regarding the amount of subsidy that the government was granting. Okay. Now, economists in favor of subsidies. The government should continue with agricultural subsidies as farming in India continues to be a risky business. So, the government should continue with the agricultural subsidies as farming in India continues to be a risky business. Majority of the farmers were very poor and will not be able to afford the required inputs. Eliminating subsidies will increase the income inequality between rich and the poor farmers and will violate the ultimate goals of equity. In India, subsidies are necessary for poor and small farmers to enable them to make use of modern agricultural techniques. Necessary steps should be taken to ensure that only the poor farmers enjoy the benefits of subsidies and not fertilizer industry and big farmers. So, the economists said that the government should continue to give. As the debate was going on that why the government is continuing to give so much of subsidies, the economists replied, the reply of the economist was that the agriculture subsidies that the government should continue. The government should continue with the agricultural subsidies as farming in India continues to be at risk. Obviously, sometimes there are rainfall, sometimes there are not. The irrigation facilities are present in some places and not in some places. So, government should continue. Why? Because farming in India is still a risk. Moreover, large population is dependent on that. Majority of the farmers are poor and will not be able to afford those costly things, costly inputs. Eliminating the subsidies means the big farmers can afford, the small farmers can't afford, and thus there will be again an inequality of income. Okay. So, in brief, to reduce the inequality, to maintain the goal of Green Revolution, to bring about equity, okay, the benefits should be enjoyed by both the small and the big farmers, according to the economists. So, these were the saying of the economists in favor of subsidies. Now, economists, those who were against the subsidies, what did they say? According to some economists, subsidies were granted by the government to provide an incentive for adoption of the HYV technology. So, after the wide acceptance of the technology, subsidies should be phased out as their purpose has been served. Subsidies do not benefit the poor and the small farmers, as benefits of substantial amount of subsidies goes to the fertilizer industry and prosperous farmers. Now, whatever the economists in favor of subsidies were saying, that it should be taken care of that the fertilizer industry and the big farmers should not gain from it. The small farmers should gain from the subsidies. Now, the economists against the subsidies are surely telling that yes, the small farmers do not benefit, as the benefits move to the fertilizer industry and the prosperous farmers. Okay. Now, the subsidies were granted by the government for what? To adopt the HYV technology. According to them, after the farmers have adopted the technology, the subsidy should be waived off, means the subsidy should be stopped. Why the subsidy should be stopped? Because the small farmers are not benefiting, in the fertilizer industry and the prosperous farmers gain from these subsidies. Therefore, there is no case for continuing with the subsidies as it does not benefit the target group. So, these were the views of the economists in favor and economists against the subsidies. And why did the government provide subsidies? To give incentive to adopt the technology, and with the passage of time, huge amount of subsidies was granted so that so that both the farmers, small and big, can benefit. Okay, and the inequality should be reduced, and this to provide them with the incentive to adopt this technology. These were the views. Now we will go to the critical appraisal of agriculture development in the next video.